You took too many shots. Can't you do anything right? Get your lazy ass back to the phone for more missions. A runner has dumped a shipment. Okay, now mute the dummies to the south. Stay behind the white line and dump more than 6 grenades to kill all the dummies.
Diğer taksi gerçekten
It's an emergency. I need your...
Okay.
Sorry, I need the wheels.
Sorry, I need the wheels.
The boss has just been tipped off that this right-hand man is working for the other side. Rob just spotted him in the park. Tail him, but be careful not to get spotted.
Leave unlocated.